Just on our way to Saugatuck, Michigan for a day of relaxation, driving through South Haven, Michigan. And there's a garage sale, imagine that.
Oh, you need dropping it off and you want to donate?
They don't want to do it. They don't want to unload the car, you know, that kind of stuff.
Plants.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Maybe they'll be better this year. The last couple of years, and last year, was it last year?
So I know you like to stop there sometimes.
I know, you never know.
I didn't know they had one here.
I think I pointed it out to you.
Oh, okay.
Like a little plaza that's in.
Building supplies. But they took them, they were happy.
Nice, no, it's really easy.
I have no
we need a,
I know my
hey.
limitations.
we need a,
If
We
anything's
need-
parked too high, just make an offer.
okay.
Go into that Freddy Goodwill.
Ah.
That's funny.
Sometimes we like to just watch for Goodwill.
Maybe they'll be better.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I found some good stuff.
I have two.
And some days I leave with nothing.
Right, I know.
Depends.
I'm always happy when I leave with nothing.
Nothing but more money in your pocket.
Well, you never know. We didn't get anything there. I'll put a link below to a video that I did last year that we were on our way to Saugatuck and we stopped at a sale. We cleaned up on that one. It made us some solid money. So check that video out.